This sample illustration of ERP worldwide logistics depicts the hierarchical structure of an enterprise as represented within an SAP system, reflecting the organizational complexity and how it is modeled in the software. At the top, we see the SAP client level, which is the highest hierarchical unit within SAP and represents the entire corporate group. It encompasses various controlling areas, which could represent different regions like Europe and North America, each of which could have multiple company codes, indicative of legal entities such as those in Germany and France. These company codes contain various organizational units, such as customer service and production departments, each with positions like head of department and employee, signifying the roles within these departments. The sales organization is then broken down by divisions such as pumps, paints, and pharma, indicating product lines or service areas. Additionally, the company code may have multiple plants and associated storage locations denoted by codes. For example, FRA is plant in Frankfurt, BER is plant in Berlin, HAM is plant in Hamburg, representing physical locations where inventory is stored. This visual representation is essential in SAP for mapping out an organization structure, facilitating data organization, process alignment, and reporting across the enterprise.